Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Listen to music right there. But let me see if I can pause this. It has a specific touch button. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. I just have to just touch all over the place and it will stop. And it did. So I got a little bit more info to show you, tell you, whatever you want to call it to you who's watching this here video. If you're not watching this video, well, you do you. Um, but check this out. This is my DTF print. This one on top. All right. This one is my DTF print. This one on top. Okay. That was printed from that machine right there. Okay. This is not DTF. This is just a regular printer. It's the way it was built to print. This is how it's printing, and I'm probably going to leave it that way. This is the Pantone colors. If you see that right there, the Pantatones. Yeah, the Pantone colors. I don't know, whatever that's supposed to mean. That's the see, Pure Ultra HDX, Epson Ultra Chrome HDX inks, right there, ink right there, right. So I'm gonna show you this. This I hit print from the printer. That came out. There's white in here, obviously. You can see the white in let me move this over. You can see the white. Okay, there's white here. So you're not going to see the white on this. Obviously, it's back white. Not going to see the white. But there's white. There's a slight fade. There it is. It has like a gray tint to it. It's not completely white. It has like a little gray tint, as you can see right there. See it? Japan. What I want you to pay attention to is the colors. And I really hope this comes through on camera. Hope this comes through on the camera, But look at those two colors, okay? Two colors right there. Look at them. That and that is almost identical. Almost. Very, very close. I could bring out the thing and scan them, but the reason why I can't do that because this right here is underneath this film, and I never get the right color of what this is. So I can't really use that NYX color scanner tools to see the colors, how close the colors are. Again, I'll never get the actual color what this is until I press it. When I press it, peel the film off, then I'll be able to get the actual color. But right now I can't get the right color, so I'm not even going to try to show you what that color is. Now, maybe if I put it on a shirt or something, I might be able to. Then I'll be able to check the color, see how close they are. But just from looking at them like this, look how close these colors are. Remember, this is from a $4,000 printer. All right. This is what you see on usually what you see on your computer screen. You hit print and it prints it out with no modifications. Whatever the image is, that's what you get, and that's what the printer printed out. And that color over there, that printer over there. Let me show you. That printer, that one right there. There it is right there. All right, that thing was built for color proofing, which means if I'm not sure, I'm not quite sure, but I'm assuming that is built for if you print something, whatever the color is on your screen, it should print it out and it's supposed to be the exact same color on the printout. Or you can use it to tweak colors when you do it. I'm not exactly sure how this color proofing thing works, but I'm assuming that's pretty much how it works. You have a design, you want to say what the color looks like, you print it out, and it gives you a rough estimate of what the color is. And it should come pretty damn close to what the color is on the computer screen. I'm guessing. I'm assuming. Don't quote me on that. But so which means this thing and that thing is printing the 8550. Again, this is the Epson 8550. Epson 8550 DTF that printed this using CADLink. All right, that is the colors I'm getting. Pretty damn close to the original. All right. Now let me show you a different image. Not that one. This image right here. Everything's falling all over the place. I don't have enough room. I never have enough room. This one is a little different though. And I know exactly why. This is just darker. This image, the 8550 for some reason prints darker. Even on the original, just computer screen hit print, the standard 8550, it comes out darker like this. I'm not exactly, I have a feeling why, but I can't prove it. I think it's the ICC profile in the 8550 is designed to print a little darker. And I've been trying to lighten it up and I cannot see, for some reason, every time I try to lighten it up, it creates problems in other areas. So I have to just kind of figure out, I'm slowly tweaking it, but as you can see, I'm getting pretty damn close. See, that's the orange. Look at that orange right there. That's this brown. The browns, as you can see, the browns are just darker. They're a lot darker. Okay, but the detail is there. The details are freaking spot on. So I have the detail. I have the resolution down. I just don't have the colors correct yet, and I'm still working on that. As you can see, I'm pretty damn flipping close. Close. Look at that. See how this design is just a little darker. You can see it in the oranges. It's just darker, and I have to figure out how to brighten it up. If I can brighten it up, pretty sure I get that color from this, and I'm working on that. So I just wanted to share that tidbit. Like, I'm getting really close to get the colors that you'd want when you see it on a screen and you hit print. You're pretty much going to get that when you hit print, and I'm getting there slowly. Again, I don't have enough space, and I don't have enough time, and I don't have enough resources, and I don't have enough money to do any of this stuff. I'm learning other things, and this stuff gets tedious and boring after a while, and I don't like the tedious and boring part of the whole thing. I just want to enjoy. This is a hobby for me. This is supposed to be fun, not tedious, boring, and stressful. So as soon as I start getting like fed up or upset with it, I just walk away. But I'm learning, and as soon as I learn the information that you need to learn, or you may want, because some people don't give a shit. They're just, they're going to do them, and I'm with that. Hey, you do you. I'm not going to tell you to do something you don't want to do. Again, if you want to subscribe, that's great. If not, you do you. All right, but this thing is, I'm getting pretty close to getting perfect colors. All right, so just want to share that. Peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.